happy welcome to our Gurdeva e-learning classes. Yes, children, is in our till today we have completed the four lessons in our English subject. Right now we are stepping on to the next fifth poem. Okay, you are getting a one more poem again. Okay, before the poem, let's have one activity. Okay, children, you observe this video carefully. Okay, you will be very curious to see this. Okay, yes.
Yes, children, are you observing? The bottle is placed, right? The shadow of the bottle is formed. The image of the bottle shape is formed. Right now, the duck is placed. Are you seeing the image of the duck once dark image? Is it? See, it is changing its position. See, when the light is near, it is big. When the light is small, it is small. When it is near, it will be too small. Are you observing, children? Yes. See, now it is slowly increasing its shape when the source is far. Right? Now the ball you are observing, the shadow of the ball. It is, you can see the dark image behind the ball. Right, children? Are you observing? It is becoming so small. Yes, now you are observing the motorbike. The shadow of it is forming, right? Dark image behind it. Yes, children, are you observing? See how it is changing its position and the shape also, right? Based on the source of the light, right? When the light is near, it is becoming too small. Source is near. When the source is far, it is becoming too long, right? Yes, like this even our shadow is differs. Okay, now you are observing the panda, right? The shadow of the panda is increasing its size and shape when the source is far. Are you observing, children? When the light is coming near to it, it is becoming too small, right? When it is again far, it is becoming very small, right? Now again, when the light is moving far, source of a light is far, it is increasing its shape, right? Yes. Are you observing?
Yes, children, have you observed this? Yes. What did you observe in this? Yes. Then light is falling on the objects. Okay. The images are falling. Okay, the image, what shadow of that objects are falling, right? What we call those images? Shadow. What we are calling, children? Shadow. Okay, when the light is fall on the object, the shadow is going to form, right? Yes. Does it has a color, children? What's the color of the shadow? Yes, whatever the color of the object it will be, but the color of the shadow is black. What is the color of the shadow, children? Black. Okay, why? The color will not be reflected. Okay, color will not be followed. Okay, on the shadow. It's only the size and shape will be considered in the shadow. Okay, children, always the shadow will be black. Why? Because our body will not, or the object in which the light is fallen, that object will not transfer the color for that image or the shadow. Okay, only the size and shape will be visible for us. Okay, yes. Children, you can also watch one more video. Okay. Children, have you observed this? See, the two people were moving. Okay, but you are seeing that shadow along with them. It is walking, right? It is moving along with them only, isn't it? Have you observed, children? You along with you, your shadow is walking. Shadow is moving. Yes, you are amazed to see this, right? Why it is coming with me? It is always with me only. Like that, have you felt any time? Yes, children, you were surprised, right? Why it is coming with me always, like that, right? Oh, my shadow is with me only. Like that, if you are feeling somewhat happy and amazing, wonder also, right? Yes, like that. And children, when you are small, means when you are like a baby, 1-2 years like that, or within 1 year, you was also observing the shadow and you were laughing at your shadow, isn't it? Have you felt that? Have you experienced? Yes, I observe some of our children, by seeing the shadow, they will laugh at it and they will call it come like that, or they will go to hug that shadow. Okay, it will play, it will do something action with the shadow, that also will do action, right? Like that, by seeing that shadow, the babies will be laughing at that shadow, isn't it? Have you seen? Yes, I saw that, children. If you want, you can observe whenever you can see the babies and the shadow. You can see, make them to see the shadow, and what they will do, you can observe. Okay, yes, children, like this, the shadows are making us, giving us a fun, and also simultaneously they are not apart from us, right? They are always with us only, the shadows. Okay, like that, such a beautiful imagination, funniest things about the shadow are described by one of our poets. Okay, and he built based on the shadow one beautiful poem for you. Okay, that poem is My Shadow. My Shadow, that is the poem in your textbook. They're written by R.L. Stevenson. R.L. Stevenson. Okay, children, let's have a brief information about this poet. Okay, yes, children, you can see the photography of the poet. The poet is R.L. Stevenson. His full name is Robert Louis Stevenson. He born on 13th November 1850. Okay, he died on 5th December 1894. Okay, his place born in Scotland. Okay, children, he is one of a classical writer. He has written many poetries for the childrens. These poetries are educated the children for generations together. Okay, and main important famous one is Treasure Island is a famous one. Okay, present this My Shadow poem is taken by a children's garden of verses. Okay, children, these are his poetries. Yes. Okay, children, this shadow, he expressed his own feelings and imaginations through this poem. Okay, children, you too will experience everything, his feelings in our day-to-day life. Okay, yes, children. Here you can observe the size of the. If you saw the previous video, right? On the ball we put the light. The image shadow of the ball is formed, right? Is it same shape of the objects or shadows are fallen? Oh no, different shapes. When the torch is near, one shape of the one size, and when the torch is far, okay, then the shadow is small. Like the different size and different shape of the shadows will be forming, right? Yes, like that. How the shadow will make us fun, okay, and how it comes with me, when it will not come with me, okay, that all experiences and feelings, imaginations are explained in this poem by R.L. Stevenson in the poem My Shadow. Okay, children, let's read the poem and learn to read the poem now. Okay, children? Yes. Now open your textbook, the page number 29. Okay, children, listen carefully the pronunciation and the how to read the poem. Okay. Okay. Don't be afraid, children. These lines are big. Okay, it's not a lesson, but it is poem. Okay. Yes, fifth poem, My Shadow, written by R.L. Stevenson. His full name is Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay. Yes. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very like me, from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. When I jump into my bed. Yes, children, next stanza. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like a proper children, which is always very slow, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. And he sometimes gets so little, and he sometimes gets so little, that there's none of him at all, that there's none of him at all. He hasn't got a notion of how children ought to play. He hasn't got a notion of how children ought to play, and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way, and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. He stays so close beside me. He is a coward, you can see. He is a coward, you can see. I would think shame to stick to nursery. I would think shame to stick to nursery, as the shadow sticks to me, as the shadow sticks to me. One morning very early, before the sun was up. One morning very early, before the sun was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, but my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me, had stayed at home behind me, and was fast asleep in bed, and was fast asleep in bed. Yes, children, it is little longer lines are there, so you will feel little difficulty, but don't think that these are the long lines. Okay, in that fun is there, right? So you should learn with interest, then it will be easy. Okay, read once or twice, it will come. Okay, yes children, practice this poem. Okay, reading of this poem. Which are the difficult words are they? Now let us fetch such difficult words and learn to read those. Okay children? Yes children, interesting words. S-H-A-D-O-W, shadow. S-H-A-D-O-W, shadow. H-E-E-L-S, heels. H-E-E-L-S, heels. J-U-M-P, jump. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. F-U-N-N-I-E-S-T, funniest, funniest. Proper, P-R-O-P-E-R, proper. I-N-D-I-A, India. R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. B-A-L-L, ball. India, rubber, ball. Okay children? Yes. N-O-T-I-O-N, notion. N-O-T-I-O-N, notion. O-U-G-H-T, art, art. O-U-G-H-T, art. C-O-W-A-R-D, covered, covered. N-U-R-S-I-E, nursery, nursery. D-E-W, dew, D-E-W, dew. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. C-U-P, cup, buttercup. A-R-R-A-N-T, errant, errant. S-T-A-Y-E-D, stayed, stayed. Okay children, learn to pronounce these words, and some of the words are split and read. Okay, to make easy. S-H-A, sure. D-O-W, do, shadow, shadow. S-H-A, D-O-W, shadow. F-U-N, fun. N-I-E-S-T, est. Okay, fun-est, funniest. C-O-W, cow. A-R-D, covered, covered. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. I-E-E, nursey. N-U-R-S-I-E, nursey. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. C-U-P, cup, buttercup. A-I-R, errant. Spelling is A-R-R-A-N-T, errant, but you should pronounce it as errant, errant. Okay, errant, errant. spelling notion. Okay, but you have to read shun sound like this. No shun. Notion. Spelling N-O-T-I-O-N. Okay, children. Write down these words in your classwork. Underline those words in the textbook and practice how to read those and learn the spellings, and then it comes a easy pronunciation. Okay, children. Yes. In today's video, you have, after seeing this video, you have to practice reading of the poem, practice the pronunciation of these words. Okay, with that you should learn to read the poem. Okay, if you feel any difficulty pronouncing the any word, you please rewind the video, or you can call me and I will tell the pronunciation of the word. Okay, children, practice the reading of this poem. In our next class, we are going to in detail the meaning of this poem. Okay, children? Yes, keep doing the experiments as we done in the today's class. Okay, shadow, how it forms. Okay, how the size of the shadow will differs. How the shape of the shadow will be differs depending on the light, sun. How it will be our shadow. When in the morning when we are walking, where will be the shadow, in front of us or before us. Okay, and size of the shadow, how it will be. In the afternoon, how it will be. In the evening, how it will be. Take down all the observations that will be helping to our next class. Okay, children, thank you. Keep doing these observations. Thank you. Have a nice day.